So one of our key takeaways no, last Metro Hackathon 2.0 na sinabi ni Chancellor was the Agropolis should become a technology generator. Why? Kasi dyan tayo magkakaroon ng income no, through the research, through the patents, through the royalties, no, etc. So what I present here is a roadmap. No? Putting all of this together, pinasent in a pen, and different inputs that we were able to gather. Let me start with letter A. Yan. We should start with an agenda. Dapat clear and concise. Agri-innovation agenda. Since USTP Claveria is highly positioned for agropolis or agri-innovation, so we should highlight that. Kasi yan din yung tinatanong ni Senator Bame. Ano bang positioning nitong SUCC? That has to be clearly communicated there. So I took this picture. So if you remember, nung last time, nag-gather ako ng notepads. I gathered notepads and I asked you, each of you, to write notes. So hindi po nawala yon. I still keep them. But this one got me. No? Kasi this yellow pad, this notepad captures what I think is important, which goes back to the why, no? To the benefit of our farmers, to the benefit of our students. What is Agropolis? To contribute for the establishment of Agropolis, for the benefit of our agrarian reform communities, our farmers, those who really till the land. No, yan po yung mga nakababad sa araw, nakababad sa climate change. Sila po yung at the forefront. Increased household income. So one of the things that, one of the final words that the late great SKR told me before he passed away, Mark, focus on the household income. Because we are a nation of families. So we need to look at the unit of the family. At the end of the day, magkano ba ang kikitain yan? What is happening now is OFW. No? I mentioned when I started, I'm a son of an OFW, nothing wrong with that. But there has to be a cycle that needs to break. No? Why do families need to be broken apart? Why does my father need to go when he can work here and thrive? No? So that has to be addressed. Facilitate the Farmers Association Cooperative to be more engaging. And this is where the entity comes in. So we've had experience of putting together a cooperative. Sobrang masalimuot siya. Nakaka we do the training sa CDA. If ako tatanungin, that is the ideal setup. No? But there has to be a backbone na entity that should support the cooperative. Let's go back to that later on. The entity will be discussed and brainstorm further later. Letter G. Siguro nakikita niyo na may spelling to. Grounded living laboratories. Yeah, this is where the hub comes in. I will elaborate on this later. Yeah. R. Research to market system. Kasi what is happening now, research to shelf. So, sino nakikinabang yung shelf? Research to library. It's not connected to the market. Nung nagkaroon ng pitching yung mga students here, what happens after they graduate? No? Their thesis left sa shelf, instead of it, yung mga research niya, magbe-benefit sa mga dalags ni Kuya Jan. So, kanina, Ben presented the value chain. That was done in a day. The university exists and can do a more thorough, more comprehensive value chain analysis. Ayan, ito yung parating bukong bibig ni Sir Clint, Open quadruple helix partnerships. Critical dito yung open, Notice the word open. It should be inclusive, Everyone can take part of that quadruple helix. Everyone has a role, When I was working, when my team were working with the late great Gina Lopez, so she highlighted, the integrated part, of implementation. We call it the integrated area development. May role lahat. Si DNR, yung environment. paano natin malalaman kung conducive yan, no? O baka naman nagtatanim tayo sa protective area, no? Dapat nasa production siya. The 4 policy zones ni Professor Cerote, no? Sa mga nag-serve. Sa DA, yung soil type ba? Naka-align doon sa type of crop. Sa DAR, anong farmer beneficiary? Yung dapat ano dyan. Sa TESTA, anong klaseng training yung kailangan? No? And so forth, so forth. So, that's important. Letter P, pipelines of high-impact technologies. So this is where we see the opportunities of the works of the students. It's not enough na, na-prototype nila. No? It has to be scaled up. No? Yung ginawa ni Paul, one of our student leaders here, yung technology niya, na-prototype na niya, but if he can demonstrate it works, a venture capitalist comes in, then maybe the end game is, no, we might finally have a unicorn. Tayo na lang yung Asian country na walang unicorn. Walang yung unicorn. No, unicorn is a $1 billion startup. No, Thailand. If you watch the movie yung sa Netflix, no, yung technology app siya. Vietnam, madami ng unicorn yan. Malaysia, so tayo na lang naiiwan na walang unicorn. Panay tayo horse. No? Unicorn. Opportunities for students. That's why I highlighted before, no, when we were doing the workshop. Bakit walang estudyante dito? No, bakit ano? So, very happy that suddenly napuno siya, pang estudyante, no, and we were able to share with them this. So this is the work of the students. How can Agropolis be an enabler? So meron na silang top 5, you can already have a clue of the potential, of the strengths of the students. Sa kanila mismo nanggagaling. They have to have ownership. Because at the end of the day, kami, like my team, we will work as much as we can, but we will be in Metro Manila. Si Sir Clint will doing the connection, etc., etc. We need to replicate ourselves. No? We need to find champions. L. Yeah. So this is our very nice photo with Senator Bang. No? Thank you for accommodating us. Leadership in national agri-innovation ecosystems. We can go national. No? If you look at the whole Philippines, ako personally, I've been able to visit 42 provinces out of 82, 81. I think what you have here is very unique compared to the other provinces. So that's why when you were with Senator Bang, I mentioned that very quickly, maybe we can do a national pilot using Agropolis. So sabi nga niya, if you succeed here, we can replicate that for the whole of Mindanao. No? That's coming from him. So, meron tayong champion, no? Potential champion. Letter I, income generating flagship programs. Dito ngayon pumapasok yung value chain analysis ni Ben, tsaka ni BJR. Yung numbers, no? We have to understand paano yung positioning natin. Kasi, ang entity will eventually operate the Agropolis Hub. It will need to determine how viable yung pag-operate niya. Otherwise, let's all go home na lang. Let's continue what we are doing and then let it be. And after 5 years, we're still talking about, we're talking around what we've been talking today. So we need to have immediate impact sana. Letter S. So this is also most important, governance. Kasi normal sa atin yung yung continuity. Every 6 years, 3 years, matapos na yung term, panibago, etc. So, nawawala ngayon yung momentum. So, the strength of a university, of an institution, is the continuity. So, that is why the importance of collaborating of the university with the stakeholders is very important. Kaya maganda ginagawa ni Sir Clint and the Agropolis team. Talagang laking in MOUs, yan, with DSUD, with DA, with DAR. Kasi, bali mo lang ang research if you're unable to translate and pay it forward. SPEG. That's Agropolis. That's the roadmap. Madali siyang tandaan, madali siyang maintindihan, it's comprehensive, it is holistic. And what you see now, these are your building blocks. No? Building blocks siya, na like building a building, you need to start with the foundation. No? You need to start with the foundation. Now, I remember one of the famous marketing, one of the famous launch ni Steve Jobs, yung sabi niya, an internet, a phone, and mobile. An internet, a phone, and a mobile. And the key clincher is all in one. No, that was how he was able to sell the iPhone. No? Because you have it here. You have the hub, you have the university, you have the innovators. You have the hub, you have the university, you have the innovators. Not separate. One. No? One. So, if we can converge all this and then create that hub, and more importantly, this is very interim. No? Ayan. This is something that needs to be discussed. This is the elephant in the room. No? Whether it's a foundation, it's a cooperative, or whatnot. You will decide. No? Kayo po, sa inyo po manggagaling yun. No? And that is something that will move the Agropolis forward. Okay, now let me transition to the master plan. Let me show you a sneak peek of what we have. Sana lang na-download siya. So, yun. Let me know if you have feedback mo or violent reactions or any